This is the abandoned Scania truck cabin. We'll get it clean and nearest part using the correct tools in the right position. Look closely at this heavy rust damage on the Scania cabin. Years of neglect have caused thick corrosion and peeling paint. The roof of the Scania cabin is always keep the cabin stable and work on each surface accurately using the right tools. Using proper tools and accurate hand placement. Always work directly on the cabin frame to avoid damage and ensure safety.
They said the Scania was finished, but they never tried to look under the rust.
This bolt hasn't moved for more than 10 years. If this comes out, everything can be rebuilt. This is the decayed interior of the Scania cabin. Torn chulos in the prattle using for our right positions. The cabin floor is severely damaged by rust, with metal layers breaking apart over time.
The buyer carefully inspects the abandoned Scania cabin. Note the heavy rust. The cabin is stable on supports. Watch till the end to see the transformation and subscribe for the restoration journey.
The buyer purchases the Scania R620 cabin for $2,500. Notice the cabin's abandoned condition for safety and prevents further damage. Watch till the end to see the complete restoration, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Scania R620 aligned corrosion clean and rickshaw for pressuring the restoration workflow. Each tool is piston procured used during a Scania repair. The cabin remains fully stable on its stands for safe workflow. The cabin is being rinsed with a pressure washer to remove accumulated dirt and debris. Each surface in accurate for restoration. Thick foam is applied over the rusted surfaces to loosen dirt and corrosion. The cabin remains fully stable on its stands, allowing careful cleaning without shifting or damage. Stiff brushes are used to scrub rusted in the metals. The cabin removing dirt and corrosion on its stands to avoid casting the ration. The cabin remains fully stable on its stands to allow safe and precise cleaning before repair work begins. All surfaces are cleaned carefully while the cabin remains full of its stands, ensuring safe and precise restoration. The cabin is left to drip dry after washing. Water runs off naturally while the cabin remains fully stable on its stands, ready for the next restoration steps. Each bolt is unscrewed while the cabin remains fully stable on its stands, ensuring safe and accurate disassembly for restoration. The front grille is carefully detached by releasing each clip. The cabin remains fully stable on its stands, ensuring safe and precise removal without damage. Using a proper wrench, the side mirror bolts are fully stable on its stands, ensuring safe removal without causing damage to the mirror or cabin. All mounting points. The cabin remains fully stable on its stands to allow accurate and damage-free restoration. Bolts are already loosened. Now, lift the seat straight up with steady pressure. The rails will scrape free. Handle with care to avoid damaging the mounts. Applying the second coat now for a deeper, richer finish, ensuring every repaired panel is evenly covered and smooth. Applying the final clear coat to protect the paint and enhance the glossy finish, ensuring every panel shines evenly. The freshly painted cabin rests under the lights, showcasing the rich color and glossy finish, ready for curing. Carefully unmasking the cabin edges, revealing smooth, clean paint lines and the rich, glossy finish on every panel. Conducting a full-body inspection of the cabin, checking every panel, door, roof, and repaired seam for flawless, glossy finish and uniform coverage. Installing the freshly painted door with exact hinge alignment, ensuring each bolt is torqued correctly for a perfect, secure fit. Carefully adjusting the door to achieve perfect alignment and seamless panel gaps, ensuring the restored cabin remains flawless. Positioning the windshield carefully, ensuring it seats perfectly into the frame and seals, maintaining the cabin's flawless finish. Carefully pressing the new rubber seals into the window frame, ensuring a perfect fit and airtight finish around the cabin's windshield. Carefully installing the refurbished dashboard into its designated position, ensuring perfect alignment with the cabin frame and interior fittings. Connecting the wiring harness clips carefully, ensuring every cable follows its exact factory path and all connectors are securely seated behind the dashboard. Installing the steering column in its exact factory location, ensuring perfect alignment and secure attachment to the cabin structure. Installing the accelerator, brake, and clutch pedals precisely onto the firewall, ensuring exact alignment and secure fit for full operational accuracy. Laying sound deadening insulation across the cabin floor, ensuring every section fits precisely into its designated position for maximum coverage and comfort. Fitting the molded floor carpet carefully over the insulation and footwells, ensuring perfect alignment with pedals and the cabin floor for a clean, finished interior. Securing the driver's seat rails into their exact factory positions, ensuring perfect alignment with the cabin floor and pedals for safe, precise installation. Driver's seat fully installed in its exact factory position, perfectly aligned with pedals and interior contours, completing the interior assembly of the cabin. Installing the interior door panel carefully, ensuring every clip is engaged in its exact position for a secure and factory-accurate fit. Testing each dashboard control carefully, ensuring every switch operates correctly and remains in its exact factory position on the fully installed cabin. Cleaning the fully installed interior meticulously, ensuring every surface and corner is free of dust while keeping all components in their exact factory positions. Polishing the fully painted exterior carefully, ensuring every panel maintains its factory perfect finish without disturbing installed components. Hand waxing the fully painted cabin carefully, ensuring even coverage and maintaining all components in their exact factory positions. Installing the Scania front badge carefully, ensuring alignment with the panel edges while keeping all previously installed components in their exact factory positions. Installing each side mirror carefully onto the cabin's mounting points, ensuring precise alignment. Performing the final wipe of the fully attached cabin, revealing a deep, uniform shine and ensuring every component remains in its exact factory position. Watching the flawless reflections move across the fully restored cabin, with all previously installed components perfectly in place, showcasing a factory-quality finish.
Behold the Scania dry in place, every panel polished to perfection, representing factory-quality restoration.
Here is the fully restored Scania R620 driver cabin, every part securely in place, every panel polished to perfection, reflecting flawless craftsmanship. Here we reveal the fully restored Scania R620 cabin, every component precisely installed, all surfaces polished to perfection, captured from every angle. Here is the fully restored Scania R620 cabin, every part accurately installed, polished, and perfectly aligned, centered in the workshop.